Hello and welcome to another episode of Divina's Recipes for Life. In this episode, we'll be making Meethi Boondi, which is another very important accompaniment if you're eating Sindhi curry. Now, Meethi Boondi is just nothing but those sugar-coated chickpea flour pearls. Let me just tell you a bit about it before we start. It's a beloved sweet made from small airy drops of batter that are crisped and dipped in syrup. It carries this simple charm, and it brings sweetness to special occasions and family celebrations. In Sindhi households, as I said, we serve it with Sindhi Kadhi. So it cuts through the savory and tangy and brings sweetness. So I'm going to now show you how to make it. We're going to start by preparing our bundi batter. For that, we're going to take about a quarter cup of chickpea flour or besan into a bowl. To that, we're going to add about a quarter cup of water or more if you like. And we're going to make a thinnish batter, but it should be lump free. Alright. Now once you're done with that, you're going to start preparing your syrup. 100 grams of sugar into a saucepan, 2 green cardamoms or choti elaichi, and a few strands of saffron or kesar. Add those, and then you're ready to add in some water, about a quarter to a half cup, and then you're going to boil that for around 20 to 30 minutes until it's reduced and sticky. What you need is a one thread consistency, so just take a little in a spoon, blow it out a slight bit, and then take a little bit in your fingers once it's a little cold, and then just give your fingers a slight squeeze. You should see a thread-like sticky thing coming out. That's a one thread consistency. I'll show you that one day, but right now let's just proceed with the rest of the video. The batter should be a bit of a pourable consistency, much like a thin pancake. So you're going to heat up your oil and then get ready to fry your bundi. Just put your batter through the slotted spoon with little holes and then just stir it a little so that it gets into the pan. See what I'm doing here? You need to deep fry them until they're nice and crispy, golden brown like this. And then once your syrup gets to the right consistency, you're going to add in your deep fried bundi into that and mix it well. Next, when you're ready to serve, first you must make sure to remove the cardamom pods, okay? Very important, because otherwise you're going to bite into cardamom and it's going to be pretty unpleasant. So now when you're ready to serve this, you're going to garnish it with a little bit of chopped nuts or anything that you like. You may even serve it like this if you like. Once you're done with that, your Meethi Boondi is ready to serve with some nice Sindhi curry or just on its own whenever you feel like a sweet treat. So please do try this nice and simple recipe, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time with another great recipe.